Moosend Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to the Moosend Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll cover Moosend's email marketing platform, my experience using it, and whether its affiliate program is worth your time. Be sure to check the description below for links to the product and affiliate sign-up. Moosend is an email marketing and automation platform designed for businesses of all sizes. It's well known for its user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners while still offering powerful automation tools for experienced marketers. Moosend includes drag-and-drop email builders, AI-powered automation, and detailed analytics, allowing businesses to create, send, and optimize campaigns effortlessly. One of its standout features is its affordable pricing, making it a strong alternative to bigger competitors like MailChimp and ActiveCampaign. With robust integrations for e-commerce platforms, CRM tools, and landing pages, Moosend is ideal for small businesses, marketers, and agencies looking to boost their email marketing efforts. Now, let's talk about the Moosend Affiliate Program. As an affiliate, you can earn a 30% recurring commission for every customer you refer. This means you'll keep earning as long as your referrals stay subscribed, making it a great way to generate passive income. The program provides a dedicated affiliate dashboard where you can track clicks, conversions, and commissions in real time. Moosend also supports affiliates with marketing materials, banners, and deep linking, helping you maximize your earnings. What makes Moosend's affiliate program appealing is its low barrier to entry and high conversion rates, thanks to its affordable pricing and feature-rich platform. If you're a blogger, digital marketer, or business owner with an audience interested in email marketing tools, this is a solid program to promote. With recurring commissions, strong product value, and an easy-to-use platform, Moosend's affiliate program is a smart choice. If you're interested in joining, check out the links in the description to get started. Thanks for watching.